Kids Vision TV.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Let's draw another mermaid and starfish. First I'm coloring its hair. Golden color, I am coloring its hair. Oh look, it's so cute.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Oh, look at here, triangle here. I am coloring in eyes. Dark blue color. Light blue color. I am coloring. Now I am coloring its face with the skin color. I am coloring its arm and its tummy. I am coloring its mouth and its cheek. Light blue color. Royal blue color.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Oh, look at my cute mermaid. Light blue. Light green color. I am coloring in starfish. Yellow color. I am coloring in crown.
Subscribe us for more videos.